Hi viewers, good day to all. Welcome to Sujata's vlog Suju. Today I'm going to show you homemade bread, beginner's bread, that is no knead bread. See, when you knock the bread, there should be this sound. This bread is for a beginner. It's a quick bread. No kneading is necessary. For this I have taken 420 grams all-purpose flour, that is maida, that is equal to 3.5 cups of all-purpose flour, and I took 1.5 tablespoons brown sugar. You can take plain white sugar also. Half tablespoon salt and instant yeast. I took 1 teaspoon. This yeast does not require activating. 2 tablespoon olive oil. You can take any refined oil, cooking oil, and then we have to take 1.5 cup lukewarm water. This is the measuring cup used for measuring all-purpose flour and also water. Now, one by one, you add all the ingredients by making a well in between the all-purpose flour, and then mix it properly, all the dry ingredients. Now add 2 tablespoons of olive oil. You can also use any other refined oil, and in that you can add the lukewarm water, which is 1.5 cup. Water should always be lukewarm. It should not be neither cold or very hot, otherwise our dough won't rise and even the bread won't turn out good. This bread has been taught to me by my friend who bakes cakes and breads superbly. They are very tasty, and she has an Instagram page by the name bake_omania. Do follow her page. Initially, while mixing the dough, you will find that dough looks very dry and floury, but once you mix it properly, all the moisture will come out as the yeast will start setting. So mix this properly. No need of folding a lot. You can just knock it and mix the bread dough. Now you have to keep it for proofing, which is nothing but allow the dough to rise. This dough should rise double the size, and for that we can mark in that bowl itself. Once we mark that, then we will come to know whether our dough has risen or not. Cover it with a damp cloth and keep it aside. There is no fixed time for the dough to rise. It can take 40 minutes, 1 hour, depending upon the outside temperature. Now this dough has doubled up. Now we have to beat it and see to it that the air bubbles which are formed is released. Now take a mold in which you want to prepare the bread, and you have to grease that mold with enough oil and dry flour, so that when the bread rises, you can easily take it out and it does not stick to the mold. Now put the dough in the mold. I have taken out little of the dough to prepare focaccia pizza bread. Spread the dough evenly in the mold by applying oil to your hand so that the dough does not stick to your hand. You can use your knuckles to spread it. Do not press it too hard, just softly you have to spread it evenly. Then keep this aside to rise. This is also a second proofing for the bread. For this also you have to wait around 40 minutes to 1 hour, depending upon the temperature outside your dough will rise. It should cover full mold it should cover. Now I am covering it with damp cloth again and keeping aside, and meanwhile I will show you how to make focaccia. Take a parchment paper or a baking paper and apply enough oil to it so that the dough after baking will not stick to the paper. That is very important. Use enough oil to spread on that parchment paper. Now spread the dough properly as shown in the video. You can make it as thin as you want the crust to be, but I have made it medium thin. Now add any herbs, whatever herbs you like on that, and even add vegetables, cooked vegetable or raw, whatever you love to eat. We have added mushroom, cooked mushroom, and spread it evenly. Also added creamy cheese to it. Now you have to preheat the oven for 10 minutes at 190 degrees and then place the focaccia or pizza bread in it. Meanwhile, check whether the bread dough has risen. It has to still rise. Now our pizza bread or focaccia bread is ready to eat. Look at the texture. Now this bread dough has risen properly. Now we will bake it in a preheated oven. I have baked it at 180 degrees at high heat. Every oven behaves differently, so you check how much time it will take to bake. Now our bread is ready to be served. Just see how beautiful it has turned out. The aroma of the freshly baked bread is really tempting. You have to try this at least once. Very easy bread. Anybody can do this. You just see when it's being cut how smoothly the knife slides inside. See how many pores it has got. It's very beautiful to see and very tempting to eat. It's an easy bread. Try it once, and when you prepare it, do tell me how it has turned out in my YouTube channel, Sujata's Vlog Suju. Please do subscribe my channel and do like this video. Thank you.